Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can be able to fix Facebook content monetization policy issues. It's not something difficult. I'm going to share with you in this video the steps that you need to do in order to fix that problem on Facebook. So now I'm going to my phone and I'm going to share with you the steps. So to fix Facebook content monetization policy issues, you need to start by reviewing Facebook's policies to understand the violation, and then identify the specific policy breached, such as copyright infringement or inappropriate content, and then take necessary actions to rectify the problem, like removing copyrighted material or editing inappropriate content. And after resolving the issue, appeal to Facebook by providing any necessary documentation or explanations. If uncertain, seek guidance from Facebook support resources. Consistency, adhere to Facebook's policies to maintain monetization eligibility and prevent future issues. So guys, that's what you need to do in order to fix Facebook content monetization policy issues. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.